Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjuna Nersu and I am sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers to stay in the video till end for to know the exact levels of the Bank Nifty levels and Nifty levels, at which level you have to take the trade, at which level you have to exit, what is the bank nifty target and what is the nifty target, to know the exact levels and what the instructions has to take the at that level. For to know all the things, you should watch all the video till end. So today Nifty Bank has gained 552 points, which is a 1.74%, and has ended at 32,275. Let us see who has majorly contributed for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today. Today, for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty, ICICI Bank has contributed 261 points for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today. Axis Bank has contributed 143 points for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today. Kotak Bank has contributed for 64 points for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today. Majorly, these three banks has contributed for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty. I always say in every video, for the new users, for the returning users, if you are confused, if you are unpredictable about the trend of the bank nifty at that particular point of time, at any particular point of trading day, just check the trend of the ICICI Bank trend and HDFC Bank trend. If ICICI Bank trend or HDFC Bank trend are in uptrend, bank nifty will also be in uptrend. If HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank is in downtrend, bank nifty will also be in downtrend. If ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank are in sideways, bank nifty will also be in sideways. Today, because of the HDFC Bank is not much strong, it has contributed 74 points for the downtrend of the bank nifty. That's why there has some sideways was happened today. If HDFC Bank is also much strong in the uptrend, then you can see the uptrend of the almost 800-900 points of bank nifty today. Okay, so now let me share the results of the given news yesterday for today's trade for the bank nifty. So on Friday, Bank Nifty was closed at 31,625 points, and today Bank Nifty was opened at 32,316 points. Let us assume we are taking the buy call here at 32,320, and it made a high of 32,594. It's almost 280 plus points. So biggest book at least 50 points, 60 points, 70 points, 100 points, 150 points as per your risk analysis. But then there is no red in our views. There is no loss in our views. Yeah, so we guys book at least some profit here, and after that, from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock, it's a sideways market was happened, and because of the HDFC Bank and other factors, that Bank Nifty was fell down. Yeah, and it was closed at 32,266 points today, that is of 26 April 2021. So now let me share the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction, Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Today Bank Nifty was closed at 32,266. So our buy call will be activated for the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction, Bank Nifty analysis would be, our buy call will be activated at 32,388 for the Bank Nifty target of 32,478, 32,635, 32,781, 32,928, 33,008, 33,162, 33,308, 33,400, 33,540, 33,694, 33,802, 33,990, 34,145, 34,260. Yeah, these are the bank nifty targets for tomorrow. If it breaks 34,260, it can go up to 34,450. These are the bank nifty targets for tomorrow for the uptrend of the bank nifty. So let us assume if the bank nifty has continuous downtrend, and if because of various factors, if bank nifty has fell down, so our sell call will be activated for the bank nifty. Tomorrow prediction bank nifty analysis would be, our sell call will be activated at 32,145 for the bank nifty target of 32,060, 32,015, 32,010, 31,902, 31,868, 31,812, 31,720, 31,638, 31,554, 31,442, 31,374, 31,320, 31,257, 31,162, 31,043, 32, 30,950, 30,900, 37,85, 37,22, 36,42, 35,82, 34,86, 3400, 3586, 3496, 3400, 3326, 3124, 29930, 29760, and the final bank nifty target of 29484. Why I have given this much of targets for the bank nifty, for the downtrend of the bank nifty? Because once the fall will happen, it can go up to 1000 plus points. So you should not miss any point here. Okay, you can catch as much of points as you can based on your risk analysis. Okay, these are the bank nifty targets for tomorrow, that is of 27th April 2021. So here I would like to say, if bank nifty will opens as a gap up above this level, wait till it crosses this level, then only you can take the buy call here. If it opens above this level, wait till it crosses this level, then only you can take the buy call here. Don't take immediately in between here. There may be a chance of getting the reversal from here. Okay, and at the same time, if the bank nifty has opens as a gap down below this level, wait till it crosses this level. If it opens below this level, wait till it crosses this level, then only you can take the sell call here. Wait till crosses the next level. Okay, then only you can take the sell call there. If don't take immediately once the gap up or gap down happens immediately, there may be chances of getting reversal of the trend immediately once it opens as a gap up or gap down. Okay, hope you guys understand my point. My request, if you have not understand, I request you to please replay this video and watch the levels again. Note down the levels, be strict to the levels which was given in the video, because bank nifty has to fall under our levels only, because we are giving the analysis purely based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions. Yeah, and here there are some crucial points here. If it opens above, our buy call was activated here, so you must be very careful here till 32,484. There may be a chance of getting the reversal from here. You must be very active in the market. And here also I have given, of course I have given a sell call here at 32,150. If 32,150 sell call was activated and immediately it reaches this level, which is of 32,187, 32,188. okay, once it crosses this 32,200, you can immediately exit that. And here at 32,012, there may be a chance of getting reversal from here, another downfall of the bank nifty. And 32,175 is also the crucial point, 31,715. So there may be chance of getting the reversal if the downtrend has continued till here, and there is a chance of getting also from here. And at the same time 31,425, 31,242, 39.50, these are the major crucial points. So you must be very active in the market. These are the, there may be a chance of getting reversal from the given levels here. Okay, once it crosses this level, which is of 32,484, you can see up to the 33,000 or 33,200, you can see the uptrend of the bank nifty till 33,200, 33,000. Yeah. Okay, thank you, thanks for understanding. So now let me share the bank nifty options for tomorrow. So once the bank nifty has opens above this level, which is of 32,390, you can buy the strike price of 32,400 CE. And once the bank nifty has opens below this level, which is of 32,150, you can buy the strike price of 32,100 PE. Okay, so our bank nifty options for tomorrow would be 32,100 PE and 32,400 CE. These are the bank nifty options for tomorrow. So our bank nifty options for tomorrow will be 32,100 PE and 32,400 CE. Thank you, thanks for understanding. If you have any confusions, if you have any doubts, I request you to please replay this video, note down the levels, be strict to the levels. Still you have get confused, please comment the same in the comment section so that I will try to reply to you as early as possible. Okay, thank you, thanks for understanding, and I always request you to please like the button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you so much. See you, bye. If you feel this video is helpful, if you feel my views are helpful to you, if you feel you are making profit on my views, if you feel this video will help others without paying any penny to the tip providers, yes, if you feel I'm genuine, then I request you to please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe to get the notifications when I post the updates, and share this video to all your network and make me available, make me reachable to all the traders who are looking for the tips, who are looking for the levels, on which level we have to trade, so that you will help them to take the profit from the trading. Okay, I'm so grateful to you if you have shared this video to your network. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for understanding.